Nemo's award-winning Helio pressure shower has revolutionized portable showers with a go-anywhere design and steady water pressure. Now we're introducing the Helio LX with a larger 5-gallon capacity and 20% more pressure than the standard model. Everything you need comes contained in a small, breathable stuff sack with everything attached and ready to use. Simply remove Helio LX from the stuff sack and place directly on the ground. The Helio LX's generous opening makes filling it more convenient than other portable showers. The large opening is also convenient for cleaning inside the tank. Helio has many uses outside the camp shower. It's perfect for rinsing off salt water after surfing, cleaning dishes, cleaning muddy pet paws after a hike, and home emergency uses. The Helio's smart design and unique features make it a versatile companion for many outdoor adventures.
Get back to nature with the Sleepingo Double sleeping bag. When adventure calls, you'll be ready to take on any landscape, any climate. The durable outer liner is waterproof to keep you safe and snug. It's made from camping-grade polyester to last a lifetime, while the inner lining is silky soft for a good night's sleep. The Sleepingo Double sleeping bag will keep you warm and comfy on any adventure. Get it on Amazon.
Coghlan's pop-up trash can makes the job of organizing and tidying campsites, RVs, or garages quick and easy. While compact for storage in smaller tight spaces, it expands in seconds to provide a convenient solution for keeping garbage in its place. There's a grommeted loop at the bottom to stake down the trash can so it doesn't blow away. The strong steel coil frame ensures it will not sag even when filled. A full zipper keeps everything in its place when not in use, and securely sewn webbed handles make transport when full a breeze. There's also a clear pocket on the lid to keep extra garbage bags handy. No trip to the campground is complete without Coghlan's pop-up trash can. For more information on all of Coghlan's products, go to www.coghlans.com.